Hello, let us see how to solve this problem. Uh, so basically what is given is an enhancement mode MOSFET which has a threshold voltage of 3 volts is used in a sample and hold circuit, and uh, the substrate of that MOS device is connected to minus 10 volts and there is an input signal that is provided, voltage V1, which lies between minus 10 to 10. That means there is an input voltage here, where this is minus 10 volts and this is plus 10 volts V1. Okay, now what are the maximum and minimum values of Vg required for this MOSFET with this given input voltage is what we have to calculate. Now considering this scenario, so first we need to understand what is sample and hold circuit. While sample and hold circuit may not be relevant to discuss here, we are just talking about basically a MOSFET operation, but still it is better we understand what is sample and hold circuit. Sample and hold circuit is basically used in A by D converters, where you sample a analog signal at regular intervals. Like example, if you see there will be an analog input that will be associated with this, and you provide it to a MOSFET first, where this MOSFET acts as a the switching device. And this MOSFET generally is a N-channel MOSFET that is used because N-channel MOSFET has the highest speed of operation than the P-channel MOSFET. And then followed by this, there will be a capacitor which is used to hold the circuit, and then there will be an amplifier after that. This will be the output of it. So now in simple, if you see, it will be this way. Okay, now here what is given is basically for this sample and hold circuit, this particular N-channel MOSFET is provided with an input of minus 10 to plus 10. So this MOSFET, if you see, is mentioned that the threshold voltage is 3 volts. That means with the Vg greater than 3 volts, or we can say greater than or equal to 3 volts, the MOSFET will be on. And when Vg is less than 3 volts, the MOSFET will be off. That is how the operation would be. Now in this scenario, we need to understand how a sample and hold circuit operates. Now when this transistor is on, what happens is, that is called the sampling period, where this input will be charging this capacitor, and this input, this MOSFET shall be turned off in a scenario where this voltage shall be held across this capacitor. So it is called basically sampling and holding at that specific voltage for a period of time. So if you see the actual analog signal, the output of a sampling and hold circuit would be this way. So that's an example. Now considering that MOSFET operation will be Vg will be when Vg is greater than 3 volts it is on, Vg is less than minus 3 volts it will be off. So Vg is nothing but 3 volts, and V minimum voltage that is applied is minus 10 volts here. Okay, and V maximum that is applied is nothing but 10 volts. Okay, so in you considering these scenarios, initially for the holding time, as we mentioned, Vg minus V minimum, which is minimum voltage, must be less than 3 volts. Only under this scenario the MOSFET will be in off condition. So that means holding condition. So V minimum is minus 10. So minus of minus 10, which will be plus 10. is less than 3 volts. Okay, so that means VG is should be less than minus 7 volts. This is the minimum voltage for the transistor to be in hold state. Similarly, VG minus Vmax, okay, should be greater than 3 volts for the MOSFET to be off. That means VG minus 10 with this Vmax is 10 volts here, right? So when 10 goes, VG must be greater than 13 volts for this MOSFET to work as a sampling condition. So that's the maximum voltage. So the minimum voltage is minus 7 and the maximum is 13 volts. So that is how this MOSFET with a given input voltage and a given threshold operates. Thank you.